Do you want to make mealtime easier? Who doesn't? Lifestyle editor Joann Butler is here to share some delicious ideas. Thanks for being here.
Oh, thanks for having me. Well, you know, it's so important to cherish mealtime with the family. It's the time when everyone gets together and talks about your day. You know, it's really a time when you can learn about what your kids are up to and what summer adventures they're excited about. It sounds cliche, but it's so true. So I'm all about anything that can make the prep time quicker so we have more time to sit and eat together. So my first tip is to embrace batch cooking. Invest in some quality containers like these that freeze well, and then simply double or even triple your favorite recipes. Next up, side dishes. You know, side dishes really make any meal, especially for the kids, but you don't want to labor over them. So I'm always thinking about good things that are easy. And Rice-A-Roni, which is a brand I've always loved, is making it even easier with these new heat and eat microwavable rice pouches. Just love them. They microwave in 90 seconds. So talk about minimal prep, super easy, no fuss, no mess, and they're so flavorful and delicious. They come in 3 flavors, herb and butter, garlic and olive oil, and spicy Spanish, so there's something for everyone to enjoy. These will really help you get food on the table fast for more time spent on what really matters. For more info about Rice-A-Roni and some delicious dinner recipes for the entire family, visit their website, ricearoni.com.